Hi to my big little Cobras and welcome back to the Cobras Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalist videos. Today's minimalistic video is going to be going into the mountains, doing a non-shopping hobby. So I'm going to be taking you guys with me and you all get to watch me sweat and puff because I don't work out anymore. So any form of exercise beyond moving my fingers leaves me a big sweaty mess. So let's get it, let's go.
Show the camera. Oh, I meant show the macaroon, but...
Get it! Let's go!
Going rock climbing. See these calluses? I'm ready.
It's ready. Yo, he ready? Why are you looking over there?
I heard something about monkeys. Now be prepared to feed them. I have this.
What do you have? Nothing. For the imaginary monkeys. Imaginary monkeys.
They'll come, don't worry. They'll come.
Hey guys. Today's vlog is going to the mountains. I'll think of a more catchy, clickbaity title when I'm at my computer. Today we're just gonna go like climbing up the mountains for exercise. If you've been following my channel for some time, you'll know that I love going to the mountains and climbing the mountains. How long has my hair gotten, guys? It's pretty long right now. I like it a lot. I cut my hair twice a year, so I'll probably be cutting it next month because next month is June. This is today's eye makeup. Fire! I hate when my glasses do this. It's so ugly. There's vendors here and they sell fruit. I hope I don't sweat as much as I'm probably gonna sweat. Oh man, mountain climbing is like, it's such an angle and your feet feel so much strain. And I just become a sweaty mess by it all. I wore like really like baggy clothes so that like my sweat doesn't stick to my body. Yeah, let's do this. just finished eating an egg and a little bit of tofu. I started eating it and I completely forgot to film it, so I filmed Xiaozhou's eating an egg. Good shit. I did eat it. I am like so sweaty. My shirt. Maybe I shouldn't have worn white. Good exercise though. I broke out the onesie that I usually get when I get my period, which I have been getting quite consistent for, when did I start? I got like March, like over a year now. I think I've had 12 consecutive periods and it's just been really good, really good. I find that recently, like my most recent period, sorry if it's like too much information, but it was a little bit painful, and I think it's because I've been eating more carbohydrates, and I find that carbohydrates cause inflammation and sometimes it hurts a bit, so yeah, I'm gonna eat a little bit less carbohydrates, but not give them all up. Oh, and I also did a really good job on my egg yolk salad. If you guys see, like, doing, looks very doing, but it's not, it's makeup. If you've seen me without it, you guys will know. It's like completely flat here. Will has really good egg yolk salad, but like, look at that, like, doing.
Get it?
Did somebody just bring them and put them here?
No, I think it fell from a tree.
Hey guys, going down the mountain now. So I had to put my hair up because I'm completely drenched in sweat. Let's get it, let's go. Back on flat land, thank God.
How was it? Congratulations, you completed your first number 2 trail.
Oh. Exhausting.
Congratulations, you completed your first number 2 trail.
Yay! Congratulations to us. Congratulations to us. Yay, we did it. What did you think?
Good.
Yeah?
You?
Yeah, it's good. Hey guys, oh, we made it to the car. I made it to the car. Oh, I rarely have my hair up in videos, so yeah, that's how you know. That's how sweaty I was. My white shirt is completely drenched. so I'm just sitting on a rock and chilling. Can you believe it? I was carrying around this heavy bag, and I was also carrying my makeup. Why? I don't know. I guess I thought if it melted off, I can always reapply. So I'm gonna reapply my makeup soon. I definitely got really healthy and really fit climbing that. I can feel like my leg muscles, they're very strong. Is that person naked? Sorry, let me just cover up my zit so you guys don't have to look at my zit. Much better. I'm so proud of myself though. Climbing that mountain, that took a long time. We started at like 10. I think now it's like 1. So we climbed the mountain for like 3 hours. Pretty intense. And I want to say thank you guys for coming along. Now we're gonna go probably eat something. I hope we eat something. I literally ate an egg. Hashtag keto. We're gonna eat now. Sorry, my hair looks like a total mess now that I took it out. I'll show you guys the food. Now we're gonna go eat shaved ice, Taro Shaved Ice, because it's so freaking hot. For hot weather like this, it calls for shaved ice. All the motorcycles. Taiwan has lots of motorcycles. This place is really famous. Been here a couple times throughout the years. They have a giant ass warehouse just for them, selling only one flavor, which is taro. Saying, oh my god, I have to use the bathroom. All that mountain climbing got me bowels moving. Oh my god. They have a really long line. I'm ordering red bean and taro with milk. Just share with me. That was so good. Oh my god. I can see why this restaurant is so popular now. Kind of full. What's coming?
Bumblebee.
The bumblebee? You mean the store?
No, the Thai food is called Bumblebee.
Oh, why bumblebee?
That's the name I gave it. I just translated it.
Yes. Will's impression of me being flustered. guys. Hey guys, gonna video edit now. Video edit this footage and then maybe get some more later on in the day and then put it together into the video. Let's get it, let's go! So there you have it, my handsome and little pretty cobras. That was today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, and while you're down there, leave some comments down below. I have actually a question for you guys that I've been wondering if you made it this far in the video. Do you guys want to see more vlogs or more how-to videos? Please comment that down below because that is what I want to know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!